Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I want to show you how easy it is to perform your tasks on the new live streaming app JOYO Live. We're going to be talking about the tasks available on this app and how to perform the tasks, and I'm also going to be clearing on air. I realized that a lot of you got confused, and I don't know, a lot of you didn't ask questions regarding the tax reward, like the newbie bonus and the like. So I'll be addressing that in today's video. If you're just coming across this channel for the first time, or this live streaming app for the first time, I do not know the app we are talking about. It's JOYO Live, a live streaming app that pays you to go live and perform certain simple tasks on the app. If you're very familiar with how live streaming apps work, just like Google Live Stream app and the likes, this one is a new one. So I would advise you to rush it because it was recently launched. Okay, so you do not miss out on the newbie bonus. Okay, just in case they change their policy and all that. So don't worry, I'm going to try my best as to guide you on how to work on this platform. Okay, agency stuff, and how to make money, ways to make money. But you're going to do one thing, especially if you're in Nigeria, and please kindly join the Telegram community below. There you will find the beginners video I did introducing this platform. For a reason or the other, I posted it on YouTube on my main channel, but I mean it affected my channel, so I couldn't post it back on YouTube, and I can't post it back on YouTube. So if you want the beginners video, please kindly join the Telegram community, and then for future videos, I'll be uploading it on this particular channel. Okay, and if you have any questions at all, please don't come to my WhatsApp. I know my WhatsApp number is available in that video, but don't come to my WhatsApp. Please ask your questions in the comment section below. In today's video, I just want to show you how to perform your tax. Alright, so are we ready? Let's get into it. Alright, so firstly, let's head to our tax center. I believe by now you should know where your tax center is and how to locate it. You see this reward icon here? That's what you're going to click on. I realize that nobody's following me yet. Is it that you guys are not active, or you've not just had the time to click on follow? I dropped my ID in the previous video. Please follow me. Now here is the tax center. The first thing I want to clear up is that I realized that a lot of you that registered on this platform under me did not go through the policy I sent. Okay, I already told you that the newbie bonus on this platform, this new live streaming app, is 5,000 diamonds per hour. Okay, and you're gonna get this for 2 hours every day, which is equivalent to 10,000 diamonds. But a lot of you registered the wrong way, and you got 1,000 diamonds and you just continued with your tax without having to say anything, or report this to me. And I already told you it's 5,000 per hour you should see, but you I don't know how you guys did it. I don't know if you followed my instructions clearly, because this particular platform, especially those that in Nigeria, there is a different strategy in order to earn on the platform, and I was the only one that shared that. Okay, that's why I told you to join the Telegram community. You know why this is so. So if you registered on this app and you're seeing 1,000 diamond per hour, you're wrong. And I already told you guys and announced it that if you see 1,000 per hour, please do not make use of that account. Yeah, do not make use of that account. Do not do your facial authentication. You're allowed to do your face verification once, and once you do that, that's over. So if you register, perhaps you register and you see 1,000 per hour, that account is going to take you a while before you earn. All right, you need to benefit from the new user bonus, which is 5,000 per diamond per hour, giving you 10,000 diamond per hour. So if you're seeing 1,000 diamond, it's going to take you a very very long time before you can even make your first withdrawal. So that's what I wanted to clear up. Your reward should be 5,000 per hour, just as you see it here. And just in case it's not 5,000 per hour, please let me know in the comment section and include the country you are in. Okay, it's very important. That's the only way I'm going to detect why yours is so. Do you get? If yours is not 5,000 per hour, and immediately after you register, don't worry, I'll leave the registration link below, even the link to become an agent. Just let me know in the comment section below, and then I'll tell you what you're supposed to do. Okay, so I believe that has been cleared. Now let's head to this place. Is it the level up rules? There's something I want to show you. Okay, not here. So that you guys understand the benefits you have on this particular platform, why it's different from many other live streaming app, and the reason you need to leverage it now. Like, you need to take advantage of this platform as you're watching this video. Just in case you are seeing this platform for the first time, rush now. It was recently launched. So look at this place that says popular tax. I want to show you something. So let's scroll up. you know like other live streaming apps, they give you a 7 day newbie bonus. Okay. So we'll tell you you enjoy 10,000 beans points, diamonds for 7 days. That's, it could be 2 hours every day, it could be 1 hour every day. But see, one sweet thing I love about this new platform is that you get to enjoy this newbie bonus for 14 days. So if you do not see 5,000 per hour, that means you did not get this newbie bonus, and it's very important you get this newbie bonus. How would you do your first withdrawal if you cannot, make enough very fast? Okay, imagine earning 1,000 per hour. That's little. Okay, so now see the chart. I believe you can see this clearly. On this particular platform, we have two types of tax. We have live stream tax and we have reward, and we have audio tax. Rather, that's the video live stream and the audio. The live stream, that's the video live stream, is the one where you do your facial authentication and then you are required to go on live. Yeah, I'll show you how to go live very soon. You're required to go on live and show your face for 2 hours every day. Okay, and you do not have to do this at a stretch. You can always perform some minutes and then go off and come back whenever you're ready to complete the task, but ensure you do it before the end of the day. That's before 24 hours elapses. Okay. I hope that is noted. So while the audio task requires you to open a party, like just audio stream, you don't have to show your face. You just open a party. I'll show you that shortly. And then you on your mic. You ensure that your mic is on, and that's gonna last for 7 days. That's the newbie bonus. They're gonna give you 2,250 diamond per hour. All right. So if you ask me, because a lot of people are like, okay, can I go for the audio? I wouldn't advise to go for the audio because the earnings are poor, and then it's just a 7 days bonus and you're getting 4,500 diamonds per day, unlike the video tax where you'll be getting 10,000 diamonds per day. So you can see the difference. Okay, if you want to enjoy or benefit or earn more on this platform, I would advise you to go for the video live stream that pays you 5,000 per hour. I believe you saw my tax center. That's the tax I currently have, and I've been able to do the live stream and receive my reward once. Okay, so that's it with the two tags. Go for the video live stream, and as for the audio, I wouldn't advise you. So you see, after your newbie bonus, you'll be earning 1,000 per hour. So that's what they gave some of you automatically when you registered. You were given an ordinary host bonus, 1,000 per hour, which is very poor. This is what you're expected to earn immediately after the newbie bonus. Do you understand? So check your account. You might have done something wrongly, and yeah, just like I said, whatever country you are in, let me know in the comment section below. When you registered, what tax were you given, how many hours? Even though you are in Nigerian, just let me know. If you're in any other country, Philippines, India and the likes, let me know what he gave to you as tax. Okay, so I believe that's understood. I've cleared this up. Now let me show you how to perform your live stream tax and the audio tax, and I believe that's the only thing I need to discuss. And yeah, that will be the end. To go live, you have to go back to your dashboard, which is what I'm in now, as you can see on your screen, and then look at the interfaces below. We have about 5 interfaces. The first interface says live, the second says rooms, the third says moment, and then the fourth says message, and the one that we are in now currently is the one that says my. So we are going to click on the first one that says live. All right, my network is pretty slow. Let me wait for it to load. Okay, so you can already see fellow live streamers that are currently live streaming all over the world. And now that brings us to this icon here by the right that says live. To go live, you have to click on this live icon. Okay, so this is where you'll be redirected to, and you need to put your cover at the top left corner there. Your cover is like a profile picture, so you need to put it. If you don't have a cover, you cannot live stream. And then the title of your live stream, you can just add anything there, add any title. Okay, and if you look below, you see two options. We have the option to choose live and we have the option to choose multi-party live. So if you were to if you were to go for multi-party live, that means you want to do the audio tax. All right, it's currently at live, meaning I want to let me go back to live, meaning I want to go live, I want to perform a solo live stream. But if you want to hold or host a party, which is host an audio party, you click on the multi-party live. You can see you're given opportunity to invite people to the seats that join the mic to complete their audio tax. So if you are let's assume you're going for the audio tax. Whenever I'm live streaming, you can join me, all right, to come to sit at the tax whenever I open a party, so you can complete your audio tax. Okay, it doesn't have to be you opening an audio stream like this. Okay, I think you can join someone's stream like this as long as your mic is on, and then your audio tax will calculate, and you're allowed to do that for 2 hours. All right, so yeah, that's it. My ID is on your screen currently. Copy it and then follow me. Okay, so now we're going back to live, which is what we want to do. So if you want to do the video live stream that they will give you 5,000 per hour, you click on live. If you want to do the one that they will give you 2,250 per hour, click multi-party live. I believe that's understood. Okay, so now we are ready. We've added our live stream title and our cover has been accepted successfully. You click on go live. The network is pretty slow, and yeah, we have a countdown. So we are currently live. Okay, as you can see, it says Jesse Pounds has entered the room. Okay, this is how you're going to stay depending on when you're tired, and then you go offline. But please, they have rules on this platform, and it's essential you show your face. Okay, it's very important you show your face, like I'm showing my face, but you should show it, let it be more visible than my own. Okay, just because I'm recording a video very quickly, that's why I'm like this. Okay, so they don't block you or ban you, or punish you by removing your newbie bonus. Okay, so I know some of you are going to ask a question. I don't see my tax reward or my yeah, I don't see my live stream counting. I already told you in the other video I did on Telegram that at the top left corner of your screen, close to your ID and your name, you will see a timer there. So that way you can tell how many hours or how many minutes you've live streamed. You can't find it in the tax center. Okay, this is where you're going to find it, and I also advised you in that video what to do and what not to do, so please watch that video. Yeah, that's it for how to go live. Let me show you how to open an audio stream. You exit the live stream when you know you're ready. Click end live stream, and yeah, it's gonna give you a summary of your live stream. Cancel again, and the same way you go back to live and you click multi-party live if you want to open a what's it called, an audio party, and then you go live. We have a countdown again. Yeah, so guys, we are currently on the multi-party live. Okay, so yeah, you have people that will join your live stream. Some can click the seat to join you, speak and all that. And please make friends with anyone that joins your live stream. Okay, that's the way you can be connected to everyone globally. You don't know how you're going to meet your helper and things like that. So that's one of the reasons live streaming apps like this are being created, so you can interact, make friends, go live, not just for you to go live and come take the reward. Yeah, grab opportunities on these platforms. Okay, so I believe I've been able to vividly explain how to go about your tax, how to perform your tax and earn on this new live streaming app JOYO. And once you're done, you can always go back to your tax center to claim your reward. As long as you're done with the hours or the duration given to you to live stream, you will see the receive button pop up. Okay, and it's essential you come back here after the live stream has been completed to click on the receive button to receive your reward, and that way it will reflect in your balance. All right, I'm still on live. Let me end my live stream. So guys, yeah, when you are done and you're sure that you have received your live stream reward, you're going to see that it's going to reflect in your diamond balance. It's automatically, as long as you click on receive. So don't expect it to automatically credit into your account. Do you understand? So yeah, as long as you are sure that you're done with your tax, you go back and check from time to time and then click on receive. And for those of you that have a question, oh, my withdrawal button is not showing like yours, please note that when you've gotten to the minimum withdrawal, which is a 100,000 diamonds, that's when you can see the withdrawal button, just like you saw, or you can see in mine. So guys, I believe today's video has been explanatory enough. I have successfully shown you how to perform your tax on the JOYO live streaming app, and if you know this video helped you, do well to click on the like button. Okay, that's the way you can say thank you. And as I said earlier on, if you have questions regarding the platform or any other live streaming app, please, yeah, drop your questions in the comment section below. And for those of you that might be surprised, especially those that know me on YouTube, that you are seeing this video here on this new channel, I recently got a shocking information about my main channel that warranted this, so I decided to abandon that channel. And it's not easy. I can't post on that channel. If not, I would have been able to do like a video, yeah, to announce this and the likes. So it has been difficult getting my followers back. Yeah, so if you're watching this and you're interested in how to make money online secrets and updates, side hustles, live streaming apps, anything that brings and saves money, please hit the subscribe button, okay, if you haven't. All right, and anticipate my videos. Yeah, just anticipate my videos and do well to engage in all of my videos. Engage. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any video requests, if you want something, if you have anything you want me to make a video on regarding this platform or anything at all, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.